Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through the Cognizant Communication Assessment in complete detail. If you have recently received a mail from Cognizant regarding this assessment, congratulations, you have been shortlisted for the next round, and this step is mandatory to proceed in the hiring process. Let me first show you the highlights from the mail, and then we will dive deep into the assessment structure section by section with examples, strategies, and some bonus tips to crack this round smoothly. So let's get started. You will receive a mail that begins like this: Dear candidate, you have been shortlisted for the communication assessment. The assessment is mandatory and the duration is 60 minutes. Please complete the audio quality check in advance and use the same device during the final test. Here are the key points from the mail you should not miss. Install the MSB software and complete the audio check before the test. Make sure your mic and webcam are working properly. Use a stable internet connection, at least 2 Mbps. No need for headphones unless your mic is of poor quality. Just make sure you are in a quiet and noise-free environment. One time attempt only, no second chances. Don't click F5 or refresh the screen. This will auto-submit your test. It will be monitored via webcam, so avoid any malpractice. Cognizant has zero tolerance. You must complete the test in one sitting, so charge your device and avoid any interruptions. Now let's move on to the actual assessment format. The total time duration for this assessment is 58 minutes and the total questions were 77, and it has 4 sections, section A, B, C and D. Let's now break each section down in detail. Section A, Speaking and Listening. It will contain 23 questions and the time duration is 16 minutes. This is a listening and speaking round. Make sure you are in a quiet place and speak clearly. Now let's break down that questions. From first question to 10 questions, sentences will be displayed on screen. You need to read and repeat them aloud. Examples like the weather is very pleasant today, technology is evolving rapidly, etc. And when it comes to question 11 to 15, group of words will appear. You just have to read them aloud, like mountains, river, valley, data, process, system. And from 16 to 23, this is the toughest part. Audio clips will be played only once. You won't see the sentence, just listen and repeat what you hear. You cannot pause, skip or replay the audio. You must complete the current question to move to the next. No going back. Again, headphones are optional. Just make sure your mic picks your voice clearly. When it comes to section B, spoken topics, 3 questions and 7 minutes time will be given. Here you will give 3 topics one after another. For each topic you will get 30 seconds to prepare, then speak for 1 minute. Example topics include my favorite festival, importance of teamwork, impact of social media on youth, a recent movie I watched, a hobby I enjoy. Make sure you speak continuously, don't pause too much and try to include 4-5 sentences at least. And next section is grammar. Here you can find 34 questions and 20 minutes time. This section tests your basic English grammar. Here is the breakdown. 8 MCQs like subject verb agreement related things, and 8 fill in the blanks. It is based on tenses, and 5 MCQs related to articles, and 5 MCQs prepositions, 3 MCQs active passive voice, 3 MCQs on sentence correction. Keep your grammar basics strong. They are not too tricky, just simple concepts. And next section is section D, listening comprehension. It will contain 12 questions and 15 minutes. You will hear 3 audio clips one by one. Each audio will be followed by 3 MCQs. So total 9 from audio. One most important thing about this section is you cannot replay the audio. Listen carefully. It's only played once. Make quick mental notes of who is speaking, what is happening, and any numbers or keywords. Now let me give you some real and practical tips to crack this round. Speak naturally. Don't try to fake an accent. Just be clear and fluent. Use simple grammar. Don't try to be over smart with big vocabulary. Practice reading sentences aloud every day. It helps a lot. For section B, prepare short stories or personal experiences on common topics. Don't panic if you miss a word in the audio. Just keep going. For grammar, revise basic tenses, prepositions, articles, and voice. Before the test, do the system check and sit in a noise-free space. Avoid refreshing the screen. One mistake and your test will be auto-submitted. Things to avoid: no second person or background noise. Don't use ChatGPT or any AI. Don't block the webcam or leave you sit. Don't switch tabs or screens. It counts as malpractice. No copy pasting, no screenshots, no touching the mic. This is a mandatory round, and honestly, with a little preparation, it is very easy to crack. Focus on clarity, confidence, and grammar basics. Even if you are not perfect in English, as long as you communicate clearly and try your best, you will be good to go. Wishing you all the best for the Cognizant communication assessment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such guides.